Hola bafethu, this is your boy VKG Africa Danko Diski Podcast. Hayi ngisahamba naye indoda umsholozo sicela uzuma khamba kanjani?
Yaphila njani?
Hayi kuyaphileka.
Mnandi ukubona.
Hayi umuntu ubuyile.
Long time.
Hayi umuntu ubuyile.
Sibingelele emakhaya. Sibingelele abalaleli be podcast Danko Diski Podcast. Nabalaleli be Take 2 TV singabakhohlwa abephayitha Super Cup sicelo Sport Skills nonke nenhlangene umphakathi wonke siyanibingelela egameni lebhola.
Hayi singakhohlwa ke bafethu ukuthi sisekhona Spare Pine Creek Pine Crest Center ePhindane bafethu ngokuthi nje ufuna ukushaya ijika hayi sikhona kukhona ukudla siphethe nje i-cheese griller breakfast ka 99.90 laphana namaqanda awu2 utamatisi bacon ogriliwe iVienna nama fries mawufuna ukueda necappuccino ke ikhona 38.90 sona specially ke sikhona leso namhlanje ke Spare so bafethu ke namhlanje ngicela uqale ngithulele nje indaba ezimnandi ukuthi ke iDanko Diski Podcast isiyifamily because this is iDanko Diski Podcast update okuyishow ka King Shamase ikhona futhi iDanko Diski Podcast Grassroots okuyishow la ngizobe ngiinvite khona ama coaches development bese kuphinde futhi kuba khona iDanko Diski Podcast awungikhumbuze Shamase le esizobe sixoxa khona ngelokhuzana
lesibiza ukuthi with friends
with friends la sobe sikhuluma khona ngama games esobe siwabuka live yeah
abashela khona endaweni abantu behlangene khona
yes
engage with fans and so forth
yeah injalo into so nje ningakhohlayo bafethu ukusubscribe ukupressa leyo notification bell so that you don't miss any shows sizokwazi ukuthi ke uqhubeke ushare umsebenzi wethu omuhle kakhulu Mr Zoom
yebo
namhlanje sizoqala ke sikhulume ngelokhuzana nge-coaching clinics
yes
itopic ethu namhlanje kambe ithini
sibabamba la ekuthenini ukuwina kunokudevelop ngibeka kahle ngithi ngesingisi singayibeka kanjani le ndaba because ekugcina usuku we not focusing only on abampisholo sifuna bonke abebala bakwazi ukuengage bakwazi like ipage bakwazi ukufunda because ama coaching clinics sometimes guys have been done on the field but thina swashintshile this time around we want them to be practical I mean like swenze abe more understanding like ukufundisa so that when people are doing izinto bazi ukuthi what is right what is wrong we're not saying that we expect but we're saying we've been to the game and we know kancane sicobelana ngolwazi la injobo ibathi thungelwe bani
so sithi we are developing versus winning at all cost ngoba sisebenza nezingane la
yebo that's what we're doing that's what we're doing developing and winning at all cost what is the problem
ila gcina ngisengena khona no age fixing
yes ila ngena khona into ezikanjalo so that's why we want to dwell on this topic especially because we want to educate our coaches it's very important that they understand ukuthi what is winning what is development
I think ifuthi kayibulala ingane ukuba exposed to winning because when the results go otherwise then ingane yaba frustrated ziyakhala ingane uthola ukuthi ayisafuna ukudlala isifuna ukuphuma into ekanjalo ziyenzeka
ngizoqala nje mfoka VK ukuthi this thing has been done by us coaches
yes
so I'm happy that there is a show where you're going to invite coaches by them watching this show they should be able to learn better because we want to make sure this show bayayibuka then they learn from the show because we're going to call them in where they will talk about their development what are they doing what is it that they are doing we had a problem whereby we said but this topic it's vary ngoba it talks about umuntu ozothi mina ngifuna ingane idlale a certain way because ingane njobe idlala that's why we making this topic very broad we cut into short into details and then benze ama comment abantu at the end of the show because they need to tell us what is it that they think about ngenza umzekelo sengiyangena kule topic because it's very important what is development ukudevelopa umuntu is it's something that it must be done constantly.
Yes.
It must be done in a way ukuthi develop umuntu awumdevelop manje usephelele.
Yeah.
Awumdevelop futhi umdevelop mase uthi manje yazi ukuthini yonke into isiyenzeka kahle. Develop umuntu umdeveloper in all the aspect, inside the field, outside the field, taking the win, taking the lose, taking the draw with dignity. Yabo.
Sure.
So the problem that we're facing right now is that uma ngabe we talk about development versus ukuwina. What is happening is that mina ngoba ngu-coach ngifuna ukwenza sure ukuthi ngiyahlonipheka kule ndawo yangakithi noma in the community at large. I will make sure that I'm winning all the games.
Hey.
But the problem is that by you winning all the games, are you also winning in terms of the kids that you're growing while you're winning the games? That's the problem.
Yeah.
Because you will find that you've got a team that is winning. You've got a team that is losing games.
Sure.
But the team that is losing games is winning. Ngibuze kanjani? A team ewinile. This team has won 10, let's say 5-0. They've won 5-0. This team has lost 5. It's got no goals. They've lost the game.
Yeah.
But I'm saying they've won the game. Man.
Sure.
Ngithi i-team ngizwe kahle. I-team iwine 5 le. They've won the game. But this team elose 5-0. Get me that they've also won the game. That's how development differ. Yabo. You can win a game with a margin of score, but uthole ukuthi your kids are not growing.
Mawuthi ngikuzwa kahle.
You can win the game with a margin of score 10-0, 5-0, whatever. But uthole ukuthi this team that has lost the game, they have won the game, but indirectly so. No one liked that win. I am betting with my life. No one wants that win because that win is not a visible win.
I think what you are trying to say, Msholozi, if I understand you correctly, ukuthi the team that has lost the game, they are playing with the correct age. For an example, the team that has won the game, they are playing with overage players who did not learn anything from the game. But those who lost, they have learned on how to fix the mistakes, and especially playing against older players. Ngalesikhathi sebeyodlala with their equals age, then they are going to perform.
Yes, but not necessarily kanjalo VK. Yes, that one is part of the plan.
Sure.
What we're saying, but I'm saying, it can be the right age.
Sure.
Right age and the right age.
Yeah.
But you'll find in this team, this other team, they've got someone that just goes and scores.
Yeah.
Onejubane ohlula laba right now, they are equal age. But lo une age ngoba uyabashiya physically strong, is more faster, bamphasa iball and then he goes and scores. But the problem is that there is a boy that is little in the team who's not touching the ball. So now this boy is part of this amazing team that is winning games, but here there are boys that are losing the games, but in effect they are growing.
Yeah.
They are winning games, but indirectly, as I'm saying, in an equal age. But man, each challenge it. These ones that are losing games, they are learning so much. By the time they grasp everything, there will be 4 boys over here that will be showcased, go all the way out and make it in pro level. By here, you've got your child that is participating in a winning team, but is not growing. These ones, they are still losing, but they coach ukubahlanganisa ukubafundisa into right ukuthi bafethu, this is how we pass the ball from the back. Then you open up, you do this, and then suddenly lo mfana faster uyalithatha ibhola sonke isikhathi alishaye phakathi.
Sure.
Yabo? And then sonke isikhathi. But these boys in a better move, ngelinye ilanga bazothi qa bathi qa athi phaki yabo, slowly. That's how you develop. But manje ngoba uyasaba ukudliwa, what you will do Shamas uzothi manje abalishaye.
Yeah, route 1.
Yes. So now, what is happening? Angithi manje abafundi laba back. What is the function of playing at the back? So suddenly, we find that there is no boy that wants to be a keeper, and then there is no boy that wants to be a striker as well. They want to be in the midfielder and maybe some in the defending zone.
Sure.
But the problem is that in a defending zone, they are not happy because they hardly get the ball. The ball is only passed forward. So now, when this coach is here saying that we must start play, the keeper must get involved. This one must pass here. This one should be here. Then we're developing.
Sure.
This one is saying put it, pass ngaphambi. When he doesn't care what the function of winning, but as long as I scored.
Yes.
That's why we're saying that winning at all cost versus development.
Yeah.
So then the age factor UVK akade esho ngayo when I started coaching, I was worried about that. Yabo? Until I learned lento ayishilo ukuthi doesn't matter uma ngabe bedlala nabantu abadala as long as they are not being injured by them.
Yeah.
Because what happens is that now they learn the mental strength of things.
Sure.
Something that will never happen. When they're facing someone that is older, they are even proud to say, I'm fighting. And I bet my life. Go to other teams and go. I'm not promoting Isicelo here on this show, but I'm supposed to promote Isicelo. We have developed saying that our teams that are under 11, they should be playing under 13s. So when it was friendly games, most of the teams that were coming, I didn't care.
Yeah.
Because I'm teaching my boys that because sometimes we will have a fear when a shaman says because someone is not older, but it's got a structure that looks like that. We inherited something. So suddenly this boy is older, but he's not older. So abafana bakudlala.
Yeah.
So manje uma developer that mindset, they begin to understand. That's another part of development. So I'm saying that winning at all costs is a problem in the country. So yona into engizobashiya kanjena abalaleli bethu sengivala le topic because we don't want to be longer.
Yeah.
I was watching Manchester City. Siyayithanda Manchester City Shamas and VK ne.
Sure.
Ne. Siyabelieve ku Pep ne Guardiola. I-challenge engitshelo coach.
No Haaland.
Yeah, i-challenge engitshelo coach ke le. I was doing my research and then I find out that uPep once i-development yakhe idlale njenge first team bonke.
Yeah.
Ngicela ukubuza, is it right or wrong that? Pep Guardiola, a very respected coach.
On my opinion,
I respect him so much. But he's saying everyone in the grassroots development has to play copy style lesasenza phezulu in the highest level.
Sure.
Is it right or is it wrong?
On my opinion, it's right.
Yeah, fair
because player will be used to or will learn ama strengths akhe quicker ukuthi yena I'm playing these positions.
Yeah.
And they've got many chances of reaching the first team. Okay. But if philosophy ingafani, then izolahleka somewhere somehow.
Fair enough. It's an opinion. Shamsa. Ngifuna ukuyivala mina ngetopic mase ngayivala bafethu. Ngifuna ukwenza kunini. Yes.
Yeah.
Shamsa.
For me, I won't say it's right or wrong.
Yeah.
But to add your control UK, which is trying ukuthi ithi usheshe ubamba ukuthi masiya phezulu sithatha le kodwa mhlawumbe I would say kumele development kunendlela yakhona yokudevelop player, so akumele ukopele the level engaphezulu.
Ngiyabonga, but this one will be subscribed basenzele ama into my perception wabo. I'm saying mina in football we must deal with facts.
Sure.
Yeah, but that's how football works.
Yeah.
I like what when he said his opinion, but we here in this show we deal with facts.
Yeah.
I'm a fact.
Yeah.
Effect eating in development, you can only get first team work. A maximum, if you lucky enough, you can only promote 4 players
Sure.
per season.
Reality.
That's the reality. If you lucky, it can go to 6, but it will never be 11 or 12 or 13 or 15.
Yeah.
Yabo? So I'm saying, Shamase right now to you, and the effect angit.
Yeah, iyon.
Uma lo mfana simfundise one dimension because we want him to go to the first team of Manchester City. Where is he gonna play after he doesn't make first team of Manchester City?
Hey. Yeah.
He's got one style of understanding on what the philosophy of Manchester City was. He mastered it. He knows it with his eyes closed. But he never made first team.
Hey.
Manje uzoyapi.
You won't apply it anywhere now.
So I'm leaving this to coaches. Uguti, let's make our minds and talk facts and make sure Uguti Masiza, as I'm saying, Uguti show it is growing and we want to educate people. We're not saying Uguti, but we're saying facts. Hangiti about Uguti, I'm a fact. So if we're developing a boy from Amazulu, developing him one sort of a style.
Yeah.
And if we're saying our wingers should not be getting crosses in, and then our wingers should be invented and coming in, that's what is happening in the grassroots level. Then these boys, when they go to first team, what will happen? It means go to promoter one, the rest where they go. Umayalo, coach wa Vodacom manje. Let's say we say Pampela Vodacom. That's what will happen. We say hey, lo mfana mina ngifuna cross hours ukushay cross. So myself ngimfundisa cross. So can we see what we're taking back our football, a little bit back. So it's very important, guys, when we look at football, opinion I don't really with them in this show. I like it when he said his opinion, but mina we must deal with facts. Ukuthi effect izothi njoba ngasikhuluma nawe ngithi sometimes we will be on a shirt sikhulume ngama players and then siba evaluate, then you start to see the best player lobuthi uyashisa ngempela uyena uthotha kuyena. So it's very important ukuthi when we develop players we really focus on lot of things.
Icacepha no bafethu ke nikhumbula ukuthi in comment lapho awenu ama opinions again. Since you are watching the show, you have opinions lapha emakhaya. Nithathe effect, but just speak your mind. Okunye there is a very I've got a favorite month of the year with December, where la kuba khona iPinetown Super Cup. Sitha series nje kuse early indaba yePinetown Super Cup ukuthi ikhona iPinetown Super Cup junior bese kuba khona ne main event. Mhlambe asifocus ku main event.
No,
let's focus on main event.
Main event ngiyayithanda, but ngiyayithanda kakhulu nale encane. So what we saying ukuthi le izoqala ngomhla ka31 iphele ngomhla ka1.
Lencane.
So lencane ngomhla ka31 October iphele ngomhla ka1 November.
Sure.
Then mase ukuthi le enkulu ngoba kufanele sisho manje lento so that people ngoba siyayivula kusasa ukuthi ilink yangena kusasa. So what is happening is that if not tonight kusasa. So what is happening is that manje kufanele sibayazi ukuthi ilink izoba khona so that under ama age group under 7, under 9, under 10, under 7, under 8, under 9, under 10. Under 7, under 8, under 9, under 10.
4 groups. 9, 10.
Yalandela. So mase kuthi emva kwaloko ke kuze le enkulukazi.
Mhlambe before siya kule enkulu. Let's check le ye joining criteria kule junior.
We on 800. Just 800 rand ufaka i-team yakho, full team of 12 players because we want all the boys to play and then kube into enjalo. We saying it's 800 rand, uyafika nje for 2 days uzodlala ibhola elimnandi, uthatha indebe, uthatha inkomishi, uthola ijezi uvayo ekhaya.
How many teams? 16, 24?
No, we're looking at 8 teams. 8 teams per age
group.
8 teams per age group. Mese kube into enjalo. If we manage to get 12, it's still okay, but we're looking at 8 as an organizing committee. But 12 usungafoswa ukuthi teams bencane.
Iqala iba ama group stages.
Stages then kube ama
knockout. Ngiwazivele siqonde straight kule enkulu. Le enkulu athina ama age group.
Kuyafiwa kule enkulu this year, kuyafiwa. We're not changing nothing. We saying ukuthi abantu they must start ngoba siyavala ama registration are closing in ngo June kuleyo and then mase ukuthi I final mawungekho.
Is it the beginning or end of June?
No, end of June. Yeah,
right.
End of June you say vula kusasa baya register. If we are registered then uthola ukuthi no application yakhe was not successful uzokwazi and then mase ukuthi kodwa ngo June siya cut off.
Sayivala.
August siya announce ama team. December sesikhona. So end of August siya announce ama team angenile and then mase ukuthi ngo June ngo December iyaqala. Iqala ngomhla ka12 I tournament. Into emnandi ke this year engifuna uku-excite abantu ithi 12 13 14 15 ama group ama semi final kuze kufikwe lapho mhla ka16 December wonke umuntu ePinetown wonke umuntu yonke indawo eSouth Africa wozobona ibhola elikhulu mfeni mhla ka16 ama final wodwa
Should say 5 days.
Exactly. Mhla ka 16 is a very short day kodwa ngo 2 o'clock wonke umuntu obehamba. So come to the stadium early leso besikhona. Exercise of few.
Okusho ukuthi mangabe ivala end of June kusho ukuthi ke lapho emakhaya uTuesday 31 June 2026 so besiyivala lapho ijoining kufanele nibe nibeka imali ihamba kanjani under 11 malini
17 under 11 bobabili beno under 13 yeah mase kuthi laba abanye 16 and 19 hlukile is 2.2 under 16 2.7 under 19 under 19 bayazi abantu babonile selikhipha live isheke sikhiphe live second prize yonke indawo senza njalo ama voucher yonke into kusasenjalo ndakushintshile and iPinetown Super Cup ukisimpuli iDanko podcast isuka ikhona so khona iTake 2 TV so siyasho namanje ukuthi let's support our own, let's make sure that we grow each other. Isipe uzobe khona ilanga lizobe likhona like baningi abakhona yabona ngakutshela mfethu kunesithembiso esinye sisovela ubani owazi kodwa sobe sikhona eArena
khona
uyazi Arena
hayi Arena phela
uyazi Arena
eKlofu
uyazi Arena
ngitshela manje khona into ethi kune advantage yokujoinisa ama age group o4 asibachazele
a huge one umuntu ojoinisa 4 ama team uzikhokhela imali ephuliwe phela loyo ukhokha less money ephumela ngo 10%.
Sure.
So uthola 10% discount aphume ngomoya.
Bese kuba ile yokuthi mhlambe mayiwine 3 consecutive times.
Ukuba ukuthi mayiwine 3 uba ne free entry in the next edition. So akuyona tournament kuphela. Ithi kunamantombazane kule tournament kunamantombazane they also gonna be walking away with a lot of things amantombazane njoba ngisho mfethu ukuthi it's expanding. We are grateful to God ukuthi asihlanganise and akuyona yethu eyabantu iloko kungihambilisha ngale tournament ukuthi akuyona yethu abantu. Feel free to comment as well on our platform with what do you want us to improve and we'll make sure that we improve that. Mawufika wazi ukuthi lonto improve you but sithanda ukubonga kakhulu bafethu the work that you guys are putting through and uNkulunkulu asigcina siqhubekisa and I believe ukuthi this year it will be an amazing tournament with usizo lama team no sizo labazali kuma team wabo ngabanye. Let's make sure that we make it a good one and yonke tournament ke bathi ihlezi inenkinga ayikho ehlezi ngenazi inkinga asizisolve zonke inkinga ndawonye. Mina ngithi le tournament yethu nawe yakho nami yami wena uthini
bangakhohlwa ke futhi abantu ukuthi baye lapha ku Facebook bayo like ba follow iFacebook page Pinetown Super Cup la bezothola khona daily updates na yonke information countdown and everything ukuthi manga ama team asengenile yimapi kuzobe kunjani ivenue imkanjani any updates about iPinetown Super Cup so ilakha nje lapha ku Facebook page iPinetown Super Cup and Isicelo Sports Skills.
Yes
sure yeah
yes yes for it
and siyacela if possible abantu bafake imali more than anything
yes
but asivile ukuthi oza nezinto noma nama products
yes
Super Cup take another share
yes
basonde basacela guys ukuthi lawo masenta azolelela kakhulu team iningi kakhulu
yes
LOC dinga upetrol
yes so bafethu mina engikushoyo ngithi sekwenzekile njengoba nje sisho manje sekwenzekile. What I'm proud about ukuthi uma ngabe siyenza into siyenza sindawonye iyaphumelela. That's why we sinqenqa ama team kakhulu ukuthi ama team must get involved. Ama team that must guide us. Last year we reach 1 million lama viewers.
Sure.
Pinetown Super Cup 2025. Clap hands for that.
It's the biggest in KZN. It's the biggest.
I think it is the biggest. But I would say mina ukuthi we need to upload and upload the wonke ama tournaments.
Yes.
Mina ngiyangithanda ukuthi yes we want to say we don't want as a team ukuthi si compare. But we saying umsebenzi waNkulunkulu awudlala indima yawo.
Sure.
If we yona ekufanele iuplift isizi community ngathi uNkulunkulu usibekeza ama-7. So sicela ukuthi amabandla amasonto basikhulekise for imvula ukuthi sithethelele ngoDisember mase siyakwazi ukuthi bane tournament ehle bayeze nabo bazosupport amabandla amasonto lento yenu ila enothola khona iyouth so that youth can stay away from drugs.
Sure.
And then abantu bakwazi ukuthi ba understand le gender inequality so that we make sure that amantombazana amancane ayazi ukuthi angiphile ngumfana but mina ngingaziphilele without umfana because there is a perception that umuntu wesifazana mekhulu ucabanga the only person that I need umfana. We must change that so that abafana bangawazi ukudlala ngamantombazana so that nabafantombazana ngawazi ukudlala nabafana. So into ebalekile la ukuthi is not about ukuthi the cup is just to play ball. It's about those ezifundwayo kulezi ingane so that they can start early working towards something together.
Msholozi singawakhohlwa amaphanta kulo 4 minutes osele mhlambe before futhi siye kuona angiphinde ngikukhumbuze lapha ekhaya ukuthi usubscribe press le notification bell so that ungeke uzuphuthwa ama shows eTech2 TV ebese singena indabeni yokuthi siphethe icheese grilled breakfast la siphethe amaqanda u2 siphethe ama fries siphethe ubacon ogrilliwe utamatisi
promoter ngoba usazoyidla
hawu imnandi kakhulu le breakfast ikhona futhi nekhapha 38 rand
thombe khona uzongena la kuthini ukuthi ngempela uyidlile VK
so lamaphanda lawa
ayizowabulala ngemali namhlanje
lamaphanda lawa asipredicteke imesh izu3 kuphela angithi sifocusela lapha kwi top 4 ngithe top 4 ngoba nina ngoba iOrlando Pirates engazuthi ayidlali this weekend
yadlala neBay namhlanje dlala
khona inamhlanje that is why I was unable to capture namhlanje umhla ka10 by the way iOrlando Pirates neRichards Bay emhla 2 it's in prediction
uyabona bafethu ngifuna ukunitshela manje futhi angingabaza ngicela nokunitshela ukuthi it's gonna be a very tough game knowing uPapi uzothwane who's a close friend of mine uzoyizama ukuyimanyova knowing him but I'm telling you bazofika labafana bafikile labafana base Orlando it's gonna be a tough game for a Pirate first 10 minutes with them trying to score a very early goal and whatnot but I'm telling you iscore salo game hizo 2-1
dlula ba
2-1
dlula ba
2-1 Richards Bay
hey hayi asivele sidlule singabusabuza into eziningi Paul nalapho kwi comment ilokhuzana
namhlanje ngithi kuzokwenzeka enye into ukuthi ezo upset abantu abaningi asike sishiye kanjani
dlula phela isiwelele versus AmaZulu on Saturday 11 April ngo3
knowing AmaZulu right now AmaZulu on song 2-0 to AmaZulu
isho asingachithi isikhathi Mamelodi Sundowns versus Stellenbosch lapha eSlaughterhouse ePitoli eLoftus Versfeld it's Saturday Saturday 11 April
Saturday idlala away
5:30
I think Sundowns is playing away cancel lo game because Sundowns went to Experience badlala neExperience Africa
bayo semi-final i-fixture ayishintshwanga
so i-fixture ayishintshwanga
the last one
uzakwazi ukuyikhatha ngithi because Sundowns idlala so sikhatha
the last one is iKaizer Chiefs versus iTS Galaxy on Sunday 12 April ngo3
madoda khosa liphela imoya
livukile
hayi lingaphela manje uyaphela Sunday
ayibo shuthi iGalaxy izobe idiniwe
hayi kabuhlungu mfethu 2-1 nje obuhlungu noma u2-0 between 2-1 and 2-0 maphanda Chiefs is losing that game 2-0 or 2-1 for the mfethu ngiyasho nje hayi kunjalo nje akunanasi but with that being said ngicela Shamase siphinde si refresh le ndaba nangebuya uNkulunkulu uthi no Buccaneer 5
how
Richards Bay 1 Richards Bay will score first then Buccaneer lizobuya ngamandla lizobathela 5
hayi ayikho inkinga
uzoqala ke Shamase uqala ushaye la 2-1 bese uvala ngaliya ukuze sibe kabili
amathikithi amabili all right kodwa bafethu ngicela ukunikhumbuza ukuthi ibetting akuyona yabantu abaneminyaka engaphansi kwe-18 and okunye sise Pinecrest Mall Espe Pine Creek ePhindane uVKG Africa Take 2 TV iDanko Disc podcast update. We are bouncing out awuvalelise lapho mshini.
Siyabonga abalaleli, keep watching and subscribe and like, kodwa kakhulukazi let's send comments so that we'll answer you. Sibonga kakhulu, nibe nobusuku obuhle kuleli langa namhlanje.
Olalapho.